Realme C15 tipped to come with MediaTek Helio G35 SoC, 13-megapixel primary camera. Realme C15 will come with a MediaTek Helio G35 SoC and a quad rear camera setup, as per a new leak. The phone, launching in Indonesia on July 28, is said to feature a 13-megapixel primary sensor on the back, accompanied by 3 more sensors. Further, the phone was also recently spotted on an Indonesian retailer's website showing 2 configurations and color options. Realme had previously confirmed that the phone will come with a 6,000 mAh battery that supports 18 watts fast charging. Realme C15 launch date, time. The Realme C15 will be launched in Indonesia on July 28 at 1 p.m. local time, 11:30 a.m. IST, through a live stream. As of now, there is no information on pricing or international availability for the upcoming device. Realme C15 specifications, rumored. As per a report by Playful Droid, the Realme C15 is said to be powered by the MediaTek Helio G35 SoC, which is the same processor found in the Realme C11. The report also states that the 4 cameras on the back will include a 13-megapixel primary sensor, an 8-megapixel secondary sensor with an ultra-wide-angle lens, a 2-megapixel sensor with a macro lens, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. For selfies, the Realme C15 is said to feature a 5-megapixel sensor on the front. The Realme C15 is said to come in 2 configurations, 3GB RAM plus 64GB storage and 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage, as per the dedicated page on the Indonesian store of e-retailer Lazada. The page also shows 2 color options, namely, marine blue and seagull gray. Additionally, the phone will go on a flash sale in Indonesia on its launch date. Realme has confirmed that the phone will pack a 6,000 mAh battery with 18 watts fast charging support. It will feature a water drop notch for the selfie shooter. There are slim bezels on the sides with a thicker chin. There is also a fingerprint scanner on the back of the Realme C15. The listing was first spotted a few days ago by Gizmo China. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.